Got her tore down. Only thing's got to come out is the cam bearings. I think it's going to need new cam bearings. And the biggest problem I found is this piston right here. Yeah, ring seized up on there. All the other ones look good. And I had a feeling. Let's see here. Trying to spin this thing around one-handed. It's still pretty heavy. Hang on. There we go. Trying to fall over. There we go. Okay. Is this cylinder here? You can hear my glove on it. But I think I can clean that up myself. All the other ones look good. All the other ones look good. But I got everything to clean up the cylinders and hone it. So I just need to get a cam bearing tool. And, oh, freeze out plugs. Freeze out plugs are looking kind of dingy. Yeah. I guess I'm going to do freeze out plugs. I'd hate for one of them to pinhole out on me while I'm having a blast going down the road with this motor, so